Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, already we have discussed some important cities of India. In this lesson, we have learned first about Delhi city. Okay. So now I will start this lesson with Kolkata. This is also it is also important city of India. Kolkata. Okay, the city of Kolkata is also called as City of Joy. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata city is the capital of West Bengal and it is one of the most famous cities in the East. The real heart of Kolkata lies in its people. The city brings with the joyful spirit of the people. Hence, it is also called City of Joy. Dear students, when you think about it, every city follows a certain design and plan. Then, what has influenced the architecture of Kolkata? First, I will tell you about the location. Kolkata is located on the banks of river Hooghly. So, first of all, location of Kolkata is it lies on the banks of river Hooghly. Then, what is the history about Kolkata? Kolkata was earlier known as Calcutta. It is earlier known as Calcutta and it was the capital of India till 1911. 1911. Till this year, India has the capital. Then, under the British rule, Kolkata has developed from three villages. The city got its name from one of three villages called Calicut. Means this name got from the village called Calicut. So, this is the history of Kolkata. Now, we will study about the industries. Kolkata is an industrial city. It has a number of factories where jute, silk, cotton, paper, chemicals and textiles are manufactured or produced. Okay, so Kolkata is an industrial city. Now, what type of government is there? The important offices of the West Bengal government are located in Kolkata. So, the important offices of the West Bengal government are located in Kolkata. The governor, chief minister and other ministers live in the city and work. Okay, so this is the government of Kolkata. Then getting to places. How the people are moving in the city. So here they can use buses, trams, trains. These are the important means of transport within the city. And Kolkata was the first Indian city to have a metro train. In whole India, this is the first city to have a metro train. The metro train in Kolkata run underground and link between different places of the city. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport links the city to other cities. So this is about the places, means how the people are using the means of transport. So they can use buses, trams, trains. So these are the important means of transport within the city and Kolkata was the first Indian city to start a metro train. And here Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport is the airport links the city to other cities. Now, what type of climate is there in Kolkata? Kolkata is a warm and humid in summers. It remains cool in winters. It rains heavily in Kolkata in the monsoon season, which starts in June and ends in September. So, this type of climate is there in the Kolkata. And what type of culture? People in the city love dance, music, poetry, and other forms of art. At a very young age, children start learning more of the other art forms. Men wear dhoti and women drape themselves in beautiful saris. Durga Puja is the main festival of this land and they celebrate it with very grandeur. So Durga Puja is a famous festival. Now, languages. Which languages they are using in this city? People mainly speak Bengali or Bangla, and many people also speak English and Hindi. But the people of this side speak Bengali or Bangla language. And apart from this, Hindi and English also they are using. So dear students, now comes to the part of food. What type of food they are having or which food item is very popular in this Kolkata? Misti doi, a delicate sweetened yogurt set into small clay pots is quite popular in Kolkata. Means a small, here the picture has shown, just you will see here, this in this type of clay pots, they are using the Misti dough, a delicate sweetened yogurt set into small clay pots. It is quite popular in Kolkata. Even mouth-watering is the Sunday of Kachgolla melt in your mouth balls of curd with cardamom. Rice and fish are the staple food of this city. Kolkata has a rich heritage of Chinese cuisine. In the 18th century, several Chinese families had come to Kolkata in search of jobs and settled in some specific areas of the city. So these are popularly known as China towns. The China towns are famous for authentic Chinese food. So this is the food about the food of Kolkata. Now here are also some major tourist places are there or major tourist attraction places. First one, Fort William. In this, Fort William is a popular tourist place of Kolkata. It was constructed during the British rule. This is the Fort William. Second, Rabindra Setu, popularly known as Howrah Bridge on the river Hooghly, is well known for its unique structure. It was constructed without using any nuts and bolts. So this is a very famous Howrah Bridge. This is also called as Rabindra Setu. Then Birla Planetarium of Kolkata is one of the largest planetarium in Asia. Then the Eden Garden in Kolkata is the oldest cricket playground in the country. The cricket stadium has an important place in the history of Indian cricket. Next, the National Library, which is the biggest library in India, is located here. The other major tourist attractions in Kolkata are Salt Lake Stadium and Botanical Gardens. The city of Kolkata is also called the city of palaces. There are a number of beautiful monuments and places in this city. The city is appreciated for the buildings which were constructed during the British rule. So, dear students, this is the total information of the important city, one of the important city of India, that is Kolkata. Okay, dear students, till here today I will stop. In the next class, again I will continue the next important city, that is Mumbai. Okay.